Hi everyone, my name is Miranda Dressler, Associate Attorney with the Law Offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. And we practice in the area of estate planning, estate administration, and elder law. And today I'm going to talk to you about a question I often get from clients, which is, when I pass away, how long will it take for my beneficiaries to receive their inheritance? And so the answer to that question really depends on what type of estate plan you have and whether you have an estate plan or not. And so if you have a trust as your estate plan, a trust administration is typically going to take between 6 to 9 months to complete. And the reasoning for that is the trustee is going to have to identify the assets and consolidate things. There's also a 4-month period where the trustee is required to notify all the beneficiaries of the trust, and they then have 4 months to contest the terms of the trust itself. And really no distribution can be made before that 4 months has passed. Other factors that can add to the time involved in administering a trust is the nature of the property or the assets themselves. If there's real estate that needs to be sold, this can cause delays depending on the market and how long that takes. Another factor is the accounting. So the trustee is required to provide all beneficiaries of the trust with an accounting of all of the assets and every expense and every receipt of income during the administration, and that needs to be provided to the beneficiaries before a distribution is made. So this can be time consuming, and if beneficiaries have questions or concerns or complaints about the accounting, kind of talking this out and coming to a resolution can also be a time-consuming matter that will, cause a delay in the distribution of the assets. Another factor that can cause a delay in a trust administration is if there are assets that weren't titled in the name of the trust and they need to go through the probate court process. This can add a lot of time to the administration, typically about a year or so. So if you have a will only as your estate planning document or no estate plan at all, your estate is going to need to go through probate court before it's distributed to your beneficiaries. And this is going to be the longest process for administering someone's estate. In California, probate typically takes between a year to 18 months, but it can take years depending on the situation. If there are issues or problems, that can really cause delays. And so why does a probate take so long in California? The main reason is that we're relying on the court and the court's calendar to kind of move things along. And the court's calendar is very busy, and that causes the process to take just quite a long time. Additionally, there is also a 4-month period where the executor or personal representative of the estate needs to notify any potential creditors of the estate so that those creditors can assert any claims that they might have against the estate. And so that's a required time period that adds to the time involved. So if you're concerned about your beneficiaries receiving their inheritance and would like them to receive it in a timely manner, the best way to go would be to have a trust as your estate planning document. So if you have any questions about this topic or any other estate planning topic, you should contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area. Thank you.